You guys are welcome to my channel. I'm very glad and happy to see you today. Thank you everyone for listening to my previous videos. I am so grateful for you guys' participation. Thank you for listening. A lot of people have been sending me personal DMs, DMs telling me how the teachings have really changed their narrative when it comes to trading, and a lot more on my Telegram channel. I've been sending out analysis upon analysis back to back, back to back, and I thank God that majority of my analysis as the trainer started, the uh, the market is actually making its move. So I'm going to be walking us through how I was able to navigate the market with technical analysis. Remember that I'm a professional trader, and I have the necessary tool to scale my financial journey into what I want. It's about a dream. I asked someone this question: why do you want to be successful? Is it because of your village people, to pepper your village people, to for guys now, to show off, for a lady, for women, or for girls to be, is it to be independent, or to pepper that guy, that showed you shige? We all have different narratives. We all have different stories to tell why we want to be successful. The major reason is, why do you want to be successful? So if you are able to answer why, then how can you be successful? So it's another story, it's another process, it's another journey entirely. So here on my channel, I'm going to be telling you how to become successful. Yes, because I'm still on my own journey. So like I said in the beginning of this channel, the beginning of this video, this video is my personal diary. So I'm dishing out my personal diary, what I do day in, day out, week out, week out, week in, month out, month in, quarterly, annually, monthly, weekly, daily. So these are the steps I'm taking towards making sure I gain financial freedom. So for me, it is my journey. I'm glad to take you guys on this journey with me. I know with this skill of trading, I'm going to navigate a lot in life. So guys, do not be perturbed. Do not be perturbed. I want you to know that you're doing the right thing. So there's a process, in life where it's as if you're not going forward, you're not coming back. So I learned that it is called a slow growth. So, I don't really want to dive into that, maybe we are going to, one of this session is going to be where we just have a chit chat. We'll just talk about trading. Sometimes it's very, very good to talk about it. When you have something, that, or when you have someone you relate with, that is more like your accountability partner. So what this guy does, what YouTube does for me, is just like my online accountability partner. For every step, for every journey, for every success, for every failure, I'm going to be dishing everything out here. And I think that's the best way, because we've been hearing a lot of narratives about trading. Trading is a scam, trading is this, trading is that. Please, trading is not a scam. Yes, we have different individuals trying to manipulate the system to make money. Remember, the root of all of this is just greed and poverty. When you have the right mindset, you won't allow greed and ignorance to, you know, just do you anyhow, because you have the knowledge, you have the right mindset. So please, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Get that in your, that was should stick in your subconscious. You cannot get rich quickly while trading. yes, you can get rich. We've seen a lot of profitable professional traders like Jeffrey Benton, Gbpusd, Habi, and so on, Kojo. We can mention a whole lot of them, and you can't say that it wasn't about trading. Yes, I don't know any of these guys individually. I just watch their videos. I consume their content in my early stage. I started with Jeffrey Benson. I consumed Jeffrey Benson's content. So I recommend Jeffrey Benson to you guys. Go as far back as 3 years ago, watch his video, to understand what he's talking about, talking about conferences, big rejection, then that's I've been consuming Gbpusd's video since 2022. So all these guys, all these OGs have been able to consume their content in such a way that I can now navigate the market. I've been able to pass my prop firm challenges. I'm going to be open up a prop firm series very soon. How to pass your prop firm challenges. Currently trading FTMO. I passed Gbpusd, W funded. I've passed 10 trades so far. I was supposed to pass MFF, but the story just broke our hearts, but it's fine. So in this episode, I'm going to be walking you guys through how I was able to navigate the market, what I did, what I'm seeing in the market, or how the market has panned out. So I'll start by sharing my screen. I'll start by sharing my screen. Yes, I know you guys can see my screen now. So on my I want to start first with Ethereum. So I remember I was shouting Ethereum is going to 4K, 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 4K. I remember calling Ethereum around $2,890 per coin. So I remember calling Ethereum here, and I told you guys that because of the chart pattern I saw, because of everything I saw in the market is bullish. My prediction was $4,000 per coin. So that was my prediction. And I'm glad and I'm happy to tell you guys that the market has not only gotten to $4,000 per coin, but it got to almost $4,750 per coin. That's huge, bro. Ethereum is huge. And this is what you can get by trading the Forex market. What did I do? Nothing. I just analyzed and I allowed the market to run, and imagine you're trading a very, very big account and you're able to do, let's say, 30% of your account with just this trade. Think of it. You know how much it is? So you remember that this is a game of probability, and a lot of people, we've heard that trading is gambling. No, trading is not gambling. Trading is not gambling. So let's get that registered. Trading is not gambling. Because you do not require any gambling. You do not require any skill. You just need to know the rules and staking big money. But when it comes to trading, you have lot size. We have restriction based on how many positions, how many lot size you can use for a particular account. So basically, it's not gambling. If you're playing, let's use all these which platform should I use now? Is it Bets Nigeria or Sporty? Yes, most of my friends, they've been talking Sporty. So trading is not Sporty, whereby you bring out some odds, you put in, let's say 1K, 10K, 100K, million to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 million. That's not trading. Trading is quite different. So I'm going to explain trading and gambling on another series, because I just saw now that I need to do justice to this video. So I do not want to navigate from the original plan, because that's very easy. You can you can just be distracted by a lot of things. But I've written that down on my on the things I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about when we're going to have a chit chat about trading, how to navigate the market. Then we're going to be talking about trading versus gambling. So I think, yes, I'll do a series on that. All right, guys, thank you very much. So I have Ethereum here on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, Ethereum has bled to the upside, and I'm seeing a retracement, possible retracement to the downside, probably because this guy, you can't predict this guy's retracement. This guy is wild, bro. This guy is wild. So probably um mm, I can't say. I can't say that this guy wants to come to 4K, then go back up. So for now, I'm off the market. I can't say anything now. I cannot say anything about Ethereum at the moment. Ethereum is a good boy. I'm very happy with Ethereum. About fine. So let's get down to the Forex pairs. I'm going to be talking about GBP USD. No, not this guy. Oh, wow. I'm just seeing this now. So I remember I called this Euro GBP at this level here. I told you guys that this market wants to go to this side. So if you don't believe me, watch my previous video. I've been calling this guy for like the whole of June. So you see the move started June. From June to July, this guy has been giving me a lot of pips. So what I was just buying bullish. I was just bullish from June to July on Euro GBP. I was just bullish. I was just pressing the loss side. Pa, 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 pa. And I have evidence for all of this. Let's okay. So I want to show you where July. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. You guys have gone far. That's September. So, that's September. That's not what I was looking for. I was looking for June to July. April, May, June, July. Okay. Okay, so this is also Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. So if you check my chart, this is also Euro. This is Euro GBP, Euro GBP, ladies and gentlemen. Euro GBP. Okay, this is Ethereum. Okay. Oh, yes, the CHF. Euro GBP. Yes, Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, we have enough evidence, guys. Enough evidence. Enough evidence. Euro GBP also. So so in between Euro GBP, I made other analysis, but I want to focus on Euro GBP for this video. Euro GBP. Euro GBP made me a lot of money last June to July. So I can testify Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro. All right, so these are also the trades I called Euro USD. I called Euro USD buy bullish. I called USD card bullish. I called GBP USD bullish. So these are, I have a lot. I have a lot of them, a whole lot of them. So let's go back to Euro GBP. So this is just it. So I'm going to, what am I expecting the market to do? I did check this guy. I did check this guy. I did check this guy. Let me quickly um let me quickly change my Bluetooth. Has been telling me power something something something. So what am I going to do? Hmm. I'm still watching. I'm still watching this guy. I'm still watching this guy. Ideally, so what we are seeing here is what we call a double bottom. Sorry, double top. The market is creating both double top and triple bottom. So there's a level here, and today is Saturday. I'm going to watch out how this market will play. I'm not going to decide now because I know that these market guys, market maker, they intentionally left this bullish momentum to the upside. We can even see a possible retracement to the downside. Possible. Don't try these guys. Possible retracement to the downside. Possible retracement to the downside. What? So two things are going to happen here. Two things to the upside or to the downside. Any of these two is going to happen here. For Euro GBP, I'm still sitting on my hands. I am not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. But for GBP USD, ooh, this guy. So initially, I wanted this guy to sell. I wanted this guy to sell, because of this neckline. This is a head and shoulder pattern that was broken now. So I wanted a retest. Remember, I said in my previous video, so I wanted the retest to boom to the upside, to the downside. Sorry. So, but that wasn't happening. I waited. Patience is the number one key in trading. Don't be in a hurry to rush your trades. Do not be in a hurry to rush your trades. Trade it gradually. Calm down. So I wasn't in a hurry when I saw this break. I wasn't in a hurry. I saw this one. I wasn't in a hurry. Remember, this is a daily time frame. So for like these days, I wasn't trading this guy. Doesn't mean I wasn't trading. So I was also following up on Euro AUD and GBP AUD. I was on the trade simultaneously while waiting for this guy. So I was waiting for this guy and I was also on a trade. So I waited for this guy. Say, this guy is forming something. No, if I go to 4 hour time frame now, you guys will see what I'm talking about. 4 hour time frame. So I went to a 4 hour time frame. Sorry, guys. So I went to a 4 hour time frame and I saw this. So I saw this and I said to myself, okay, this guy's retested, so it's now time for entry. So I entered this guy here. I have proof of what I'm talking about. Okay, this is EU. Yes. So this is when I entered the market. Oh, there's the. So I'm going to walk you through. See, there's the first one. This, this is when the market was gone, retraced a little. So I entered this one. I secured this guy. I entered here. Then I entered another one here. So I can't, I might not be able to, in as much as I will do justice to, explain my entry pattern, you might not understand it. That's just the truth. So if you're not, what is it called? If you're not ready to enjoy this roller coaster, please just maintain your one position. You understand? Me, I like to see other opportunities. So I am monitoring the market. So I monitor every move of the market. And I don't sit on my hands, When the only time I sit on my hands, sorry, let me balance that, is when I'm waiting for the market. So once the market has given me a very good market condition, chart pattern, I enter, and I'm not afraid to make loss. I'm not afraid to make loss. I think that's the last screenshot for Eurgbp. So yeah, we are going to be seeing some minor retracements. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break even on time. Upon Monday, I'm going to break even on Monday or so that the market can run risk free for me. So Euro US did the same thing here. We saw it. Let me check for Euro GBP. Okay, where's Euro GBP? Oh, I'm sorry, Euro USD. So I screamed it. I screamed it. Bullish, oh, everyone, bullish. So this was my initial position. Then market went. I knew that this market will retrace, so I wasn't scared, and of which it did. Market did. Remember, this was my first position. I entered another one, then I entered another one. So I wasn't scared of the market. The market did reverse to the upside, to the downside, then it later went to the upside. So results is the result na koko, and that's just it. I don't really have any other thing to say apart from this. Then I'm going to talk about this guy. Yes. So this market is very annoying. This market is very annoying. Very, very annoying. But I was able to navigate my way through the market. So it depends, any currency, anything, just bring it. I'll trade it. I'll do my analysis on it and I will trade it. Trust me. So the same thing for GBP AUD, the same thing, the same chart pattern, the same chart work, So this is how I'm able to become financially stable, So these are the steps I'm taking and to ensure that I'm financially free. What are the steps are you taking? What are you taking? What are you doing? Are you sitting on your hands or are you intentionally making progress? So I was talking about a process in life. So there's a process in life where you notice a slow growth movement. So to you, you're not moving, but systematically you are moving, but it's just very, very slow. Don't worry, guys. Continue doing what you're doing. When your time comes, even if you cough, everything will work out well, guys. So this is me telling you guys to be encouraged. Do not give up. Follow your dream. Pursue it. Pursue your dreams. And believe me, you're going to achieve it. All right. Thank you for staying. Thank you for staying with me. I'll have to stop sharing my screen now. Thank you once again for staying throughout this video. If you know you've learned one or two things, kindly hit the comment section, kindly subscribe, like my content. Please, with this, you're helping us to grow and we are gaining more and more viewers to build and support our community. Thank you very much. description to my Telegram channel is going to be sorry, the link to my Telegram channel is going to be on the description. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on X, follow me on TikTok, and have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you very much, guys. I'm happy. Bye. Have a nice day. Rest and be okay. Thank you.